How to use Prismatic core in Foundation Galactic Frontier. So basically, this is going to be used on legendary components on your ship. So you can go ahead directly here to your components in your storage to take a look at your components, and if you have a legendary blueprint that has enough, of course, you can go ahead and get yourself a legendary component. You can get this in blueprints and other sorts of legendary component items, but once you do have a legendary component, you can go ahead and find it in your ship directly or just to the component itself. Choose whichever legendary component you have and press on the empower section or button. So energy resonance introduction. Basically, flagship components consume a large amount of energy, and apparently you're gonna have to use prismatic cores to empower these legendary components for those extra attributes. So when a full set of components reaches a specific empowerment level, energy resonance will be triggered, which further enhances the fleet attributes. And finally, if the energy resonance reaches a full set plus 12, a little design goes to your ship. So basically a little train on your flagship during flight. But once you press on the empower over here, that's pretty much where you use these prismatic cores. As you can see, you'll know how much prismatic cores you need to increase the level or to empower, and the coins as well. It's going to be a success rate as well, but just go ahead and press on empower and you will be able to use your prismatic cores. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.